Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how I was able to scrape $8 billion company. Now I was blown away when I heard that on the news that Hims.com is worth $8 billion. I couldn't believe it. I just needed to find out exactly how they're doing, what kind of landing pages they have, what kind of ads they're running. So that's exactly what I instructed Fable and Firecrawl to go out, scrape, and research everything that Hims.com does. So let's get into it. Let me show you. So obviously this is Hims.com website. You could see that they sell, I guess, men's pills, women pills. Organic skincare does not do that. Obviously, we also don't sell hair growth or anything like that. And you could see right in here. You can see this is a beautiful website. I'm sure these are high-end, and I'm sure there's a lot of products right in here. But anyway, I just wanted to find out what's the business model, and the best way to do it is using Claude and Firecrawl to go out and do the research very quickly. So that's exactly what I instructed Claude to do. So let me show you what it was able to research and what it was able to build from Hims.com. Obviously, it looks like it's a pharmacy, so yeah, they definitely have a different business model, but I just wanted to replicate. I was so blown away that they're worth $8 billion. So this is what Firecrawl was able to read their playbook, adapt to organic skincare, verify their pages. So then once it found out exactly what was the business model and what they do, and I think it figured out that they use a lot of quizzes to build customized, personalized, I guess, what it has to do with skincare. Well, it's going to have to do with our business, organic skincare. It will have to do with business skin types. So it built quizzes. It built different funnel pages right in here, that anything that has to do with concerns, the ingredients. This is all the content that it was able to build right in here. And in a second, we're going to look at the pages. Okay. Obviously, it didn't take 4 days, I could assure you that. So he built the content right in here. It started with sensitive skin. I think it was focusing on sensitive skin, the email marketing flow. So I do have Klaviyo. So not only that, they went into Klaviyo and replicated the whole flow of the email once somebody fills out a quiz. Okay. Build out different cards, different emails, and these are the different pages. So let me just show you, actually open up pages right in here. So this is the quiz page. Okay, let's open up the quiz page. And I guess this has to do with sensitive skin, but they just figured out what kind of skin does it do. And I'm sure at the end it's going to collect all the information. So let's get into it. Let's take a look what the quiz is all about. All right, let's go through the quiz very quickly. Let's see what the skin types are. Obviously, I do have dry skin. Okay, do I have redness? No. Dark spots? Fine lines. I'm getting old. Yes. Let's do fine lines. Dark spots? No, I do not have dark spots. Definitely dryness and hydration. Okay. Give me a full routine. That's what he recommends right in here. And by the way, this connected to AI model. I think connected to ChatGPT. That's how I set it up. I gave the APIs. So let's see what it's going to come up with. Essential oils. No, I don't like any added fragrance. My skin is very acne. No, let's go with this one. Continue. Are you pregnant? Nope, definitely not. What's your comfort zone of the price? Let's go with the recommended one. Let's see what routine, fewer, better products. I like gentle. What do you make to win? Fewer the better products. Okay, continue. All right, let's show the routine. Oh, yep, now he wants my email. So let's give my email, Dave@ilive.com. Yes. Now I'm in the funnel, and now you have the AI. That's actually, if you very quickly saw, this is AI was actually able to recommend me a product. So let's take a look. So this is Eminence Cleanser that I picked out. Another, what is this? I don't even know what this one is. Doesn't give you. I think this is Eminence product as well. A lot of Eminence product, all Eminence. Yep, so it looks like it's all Eminence products. So let's see if they actually connect to the product page, and voila, it should take me right to the product page to start shopping, whatever it is recommended. Oh, this is a bonus. So let me show you. So I was playing around with it, and I have some affiliate products now installed. So this is not Eminent. So this is an affiliate link to one of the products that's obviously connected to Amazon. What do you know? Incredible. Very, very cool. I missed that part to show you guys when I was actually instructed Claude Code to go out, create associate, which is affiliate product link with Amazon, and then start pulling products from Amazon. That's obviously has to do with organic skincare. Something obviously has to. So very cool. Obviously, this is the first time I'm seeing this. This is really incredible and very, very cool that I was able to set it up and I totally forgot it. So I do have a lot of affiliate products just sitting on organic skincare. Obviously, Cloud Code and Firecrawl was able to match products that have to do with organic skincare or organic products that are listed on Amazon, was able to import them right onto organic skincare, have the links now, and now a lot of blogs and obviously quizzes now include affiliate links and affiliate products that you'll be able to make money while you sleep with all that content. So let me show you what else it was able to build right in here. So you could see the sensitive page right in here, sensitive skincare page compares. So let's take a look at compares. So this is all content it built me. Obviously, it copied whatever. Let's take a look. It takes you back to the quiz. This is all obviously tripwires. Let's go back and take a look. Free tools. What is that? Let's take a look at free tools. So I actually built you a free tool. Let's see what it is. Obviously, this is all content. Oh, ingredients checker. Let's take a look what it is. Pregnancy checker. That means probably ingredients that you should not be using with your skincare products. Maybe something that you might be allergic with. Let's take a look. Obviously, built a lot of content right in here. Oh my God, very, very cool. You could post your ingredients and it'll tell you. Let's take a look. Vitamin C, if they go together. This, check, compare. I mean, this is really incredible. Very, very cool that it was able to do that. Question and answers right in here. Again, this is all content. This is all get indexed by AI, ChatGPT, Google. This is all pages that it was built. I mean, very, very cool. It built trust and discovery pages, methodology, affiliates, disclosures, about Clelia's, one of the writers that has to do with the blog post reviews. Let's take a look. Again, it's building content. It's building obviously links that's going to be indexed by, again, Google. And look at that. You just created all these kinds of reviews. Just again, this page will definitely, if somebody wants to search organic skincare reviews or reviews on organic skincare, I'm sure this page eventually gonna be ranked really high. Okay, so let's see a few more pages and we're gonna end this video. Affiliate disclosures. Again, this is probably like blog posts. Okay, routines, funnel pages. Let's take a look. We saw the quiz. Let's see the routine funnel page. And there it is. Again, it wants you to go into the routines. And again, this will get picked up, different keywords will get picked up, we'll show different links, and once you get into this funnel, we get the email address. Obviously we're going to confirm it, then the email address goes right into the flow of Klaviyo, and we start marketing to them. Okay, so I guess this is the flow. Would I run ads onto this page? I don't think so. I'm going to do another video on that. I hope you guys enjoy. So I built this beta plugin, which is truly incredible, because I'm going to show you this is everything that I talked about, bringing affiliate marketing, using AI for almost anything, designing your front page, your landing pages, your checkout pages. You could do all that using Claude Code and this plugin that I've been building, and we've been building. So let me just show you organic skincare homepage right in here. Look how cool this is. And you could see this is also actually, you get this plugin right in here, this search plugin, when it comes to searching products or searching anything with it, when it comes to internet, or not internet, obviously, when it comes to whatever you have on your site to be searchable, indexable. You could have, with $197 I think a month, you actually get this plugin. Not only that, we're going to be building many more plugins. You could see how cool this UGC videos are. Okay, in the homepage, again, this is all custom code, custom made, and you can see it will take you to the product page right in here of that video. It's very cool, and we're just building different plugins, just beta testing on organic skincare and releasing word salad into the public, which is my website right in here. Also, that's the OpenWP engine. Okay, and then you connect, you can have different agents building blog posts right in here. This is how you see all these beautiful blogs on our pages that's being built and listed every single day. Look at this beautiful animation scrolls. Again, this is all custom CSS built by Fable and Claude Code. You can see these beautiful websites, blog posts. You can see that it's you can see with the latest dates, okay, every day. So what this does, it grabs the latest trends when it comes to organic skincare or your niche, and then it grabs and puts it into a blog post, and there you have it. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next video.